If you're building an online course or community and you're serious about scaling it, listen carefully. Hi, I'm Harry. I help creators, coaches, and founders transform their expertise into structured, scalable learning environment. Not just courses and not just community, but a complete system designed to attract, engage, and retain members long term. I specialize in designing branded platforms, automation systems, onboarding journeys, and engagement framework that increases retention and creates predictable, recurring revenue. Using platforms like Skool, Kajabi, Mighty Network, and Scalable, I build systems that are not only functional, but they are strategic. Why? Because a successful learning platform isn't built on content alone. Instead, it is built on structured experience and intentional growth design. If you are looking to create a community that truly connects and a course that truly converts, I would love to help you build properly. So why wait? Kindly contact me now and let's get started on the journey.